journey from Bhadrak towards Maa Gadachandi temple. I viewed the majestic southern part of the popular Bauda mountain range of the eastern Ghats after driving about 35 kilometers. These are the southern parts of the Hatadihi sanctuary. This road leads to the Hatadihi dam and the Bauda mines. This temple is a beautiful place in the Hatadihi block under the Anandpur subdivision of Keonjhar, away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. I could feel the cooler atmosphere and breathe fresh air near the Gadachandi shrine due to the dense forest and a beautiful stream that flows downstream. History, it is believed that someone found a cave while wandering in the jungle in the middle of the hills, and since then Maa Gadachandi has been being worshipped there by people. It is believed that the route goes deeper down behind the seat of the goddess within the cave. One can go to the top of the hill where the real shrine of the goddess was located in the past, according to the local people. This is a beautiful and pleasant place for hangout and good for picnic. I hope you will be enjoying the video. Now it was the time to say goodbye to this